Alright, welcome back to my channel where math is made easy. So today we're going to be looking at how do we solve equations with variable on both sides. Now we would have already looked at solving simple equations and solving multi-step equations. I'll put those links in the description section. Remember to go over and subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, and just leave a comment saying how is it helping you. All right, now we're gonna dive right into it. Good. So remember, when we're solving the equations, our aim is to have the variable on one side by itself, right? So it means that we'll have to do some work to get it on one side by itself if it's not already there. Now let's look at this one. If you note, the variable x is on both sides, so we need to merge the like terms. In this case, I'm going to take my negative 4x over to that side. Now, remember the rules, and if you would have watched the video before this one, the rule is that you use the inverse operation of what is being done to cancel it out, right? And anything you do on one side, you do to the other. So let's go right into it. So here, it's minus 4x, so we'll have to add a 4x to get it to be 0. And anything you do on one side, do to the next. Alright? So over this side, I'm left with 10 is equal to minus 5x. My next step is to get rid of the negative 5x, because remember, I want just x. So that's minus 5 minus 5. Anything I do on one side, do to the other. Why am I dividing? Because right here, if you know the rules, this is really negative 5 times x. So because it's a multiplication, we'll do the inverse of it, which is division. Alright? So that's cancelled out. Right here, 5 into itself, negative 5 into itself, 1. Negative 5 into 10, negative 2. So this is x left on that side. So that's x left on that side and negative 2 on that side. So our solution is x is equal to negative 2. Alright, and that one is a little bit straightforward. Let's go right into this one. Now notice here we have brackets or parentheses. We will have to get rid of those. And what do we use? We use the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses. What does the distributive property say? Anything that is immediately outside of the parentheses, you use it to multiply everything within it. Alright, so let's go right into that. So that's 3 times 5x, that's 15x. 3 times 2, that's 6. Alright, remember the aim is to group the like terms. So we want the like term, we want the 15 to be over this side. Now what do I need to do? I'll have to subtract the 15 to get it to become 0. Right? And anything I do on one side, you do to the next. Now notice right here, that's also 0. So let's look what we have on this side. That's 6 is equal to 0. Now I want you to look at this statement. 6 is equal to 0. We know that that statement is not true, right? So that statement is not true. Now when you have a result that is not true, it means that there is no solution. All right, let's move on to number 3. Again, we have the parentheses. We're going to use the distributive property. So that's negative 2 times 4y, that's going to give me a negative 8y. Negative 2 times 1, that's going to give me a negative 2. I'm rewriting this side. Now we can go ahead and merge the like terms. So I'm going to get this 8y over this side and that 2 over that side. All right, let's go through the process. Remember, we're using the inverse operation of what is being done, and we're balancing. Anything we do on one side, we do to the other side. All right, let's go. So we're moving this. This is a minus 8y, so we're going to plus a 8y on both sides. Now what do we have left on this side? We have a minus 2 and a minus 2. Alright, now when you have this as your result, this statement is true, right? But notice we don't have any x or any y equals whatever. We just have negative 2 is equal to negative 2. So this means that we have infinitely many solutions. So you have many solutions. All right, and that's what that means. Now I hope that these questions would have helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to go subscribe, like this video, share this video, comment. All right.